Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing very well. So, in our today's session, what we are going to start, as you can see on the screen, we are going to start chapter number 11. The name of this chapter is What Goes Around Comes Around. Okay? Means the thing which you are doing in your present, bad or good, maybe both. Okay? So you are going to get the fruit of your deeds in nearby future. Okay? So about all these things is mentioned in this chapter. Okay? So come with me and start the chapter. Old saying, do have same reality, find out how. सी एक बहुत ही पुरानी कहावत है, आप जैसा करते हो आपके सामने वो वैसा ही आएगा. इज इट ट्रू? ओके, सो कम विद मी एंड लेट्स फाइंड आउट. One day a man saw an old lady stranded on the side of the road, but even in the dim light of day he could see she needed help. So one day, okay, here you first of all let me show you. Yeah, one day a man was traveling on the road and he saw that an old lady, here you can saw this is an old lady. Okay, so this old lady is standing on the side of the road. Okay, but in the dim light of day he could see she needed help. Okay, so this person completely understood that this lady is waiting for any kind of help. So he pulled up in front of her Mercedes and got out. तो इस आदमी ने अपनी कार को इस लेडी के कार के आगे ले जाके रोका. ओके, और ये लेडी मर्सिडीज ड्राइव कर रही थी. ठीक है, तो इस जेंट्स ने अपने कार को इनके कार के आगे रोका. His Pontiac was still sputtering when he approached her. अच्छा, what is the meaning of Pontiac? Actually, see, Pontiac was the actually ancient branch, means old branch of General Motors. Okay, it is the old branch of General Motors, a famous American कार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी. ओके, सो ये जो लेडी है ये मर्सिडीज ड्राइव कर रही थी. तो ये जो जेंट्स जो इनकी हेल्प करने के लिए आते हैं उन्हें बहुत कहता है ना, बहुत इंसल्ट फील होता है कि दैट दिस लेडी इज ड्राइविंग मर्सिडीज एंड आई एम ड्राइविंग एन ओल्ड पॉन्टियाक. ओके, सी स्पूटरिंग. अच्छा, इसका क्या मतलब है? यहाँ पे दो न्यू वर्ड्स आए, स्ट्रेंडेड और स्पूटरिंग. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? हियर यू कैन सी stranded means left behind. Sputtering means make a series of soft explosive sounds. Okay, even with the smile on his face she was worried. Although this lady was smiling, okay, but she was worried. No one had stopped to help for the last hour or so. Actually, this lady was waiting for get any kind of help for last 1 hour and nobody was stopping their car to help her. Was he going to hurt her? अब देखिए, ये लास्ट 1 hour से तो वेट कर रही है कोई मेरी हेल्प करे, बट किसी ने किया नहीं. जब अचानक से इन्होंने देखा कि ये आए हैं मेरी हेल्प करने के लिए, देन she started thinking, means she started getting negative vibes, means is this person is going to hurt me. Okay, he didn't look safe. This person is not giving me any kind of positive vibes. Okay, so it means definitely he is going to hurt me, although he looked very poor and hungry. Okay, so the whole appearance of this person is shouting negative. Okay, he could see that she was frightened, standing out there in the cold. अच्छा, ये समझ जाते हैं कि ये मेरे बारे में क्या क्या सोच रही है. ठीक है, तो ये देखते हैं कि ये पूरा बहुत गंदे तरीके से डरी हुई है, बहुत डरी हुई है. ठीक है, और इतनी ठंड में. ओके, सो आपको ड्रेसिंग सेंस से पता चल रहा होगा विंटर सीजन चल रहा है अभी. ठीक है, तो ये देखते हैं कि ये खड़ी है अपनी कार के सामने लेकिन बहुत डरी हुई है. He knew how she felt. ऑटोमेटिकली इनको समझ में आ गया था that how she was feeling at that moment. It was those chills which only fear can put in you. अच्छा, उन्हें समझ में कैसे आया? क्योंकि ये जो लेडी का पूरा अपीयरेंस था ना, ये आप तभी किसी में देखते हो जब वो डर रहे होते हैं. He said, I am here to help you, ma'am. तो वो कहते हैं कि मैम प्लीज don't be frightened. Right now I am here to help you. why don't you wait in the car where it's warm? Okay, why just please go back to your car and wait, because inside the car it was warm. By the way, my name is Barian Adinson. Okay, but first of all, let me give you my introduction. Myself, Barian Anderson. Well, all she had was a flat tire, but for an old lady, that was bad enough. अच्छा, प्रॉब्लम आखिर क्या हुई थी? ये क्यों खड़ी थी? ठीक है, मैं बोल रही हूँ कि खड़ी थी अपने कार के सामने, पर ये खड़ी क्यों थी? क्योंकि इनके कार के टायर ही पंचर हो गया था। ठीक है, वैसे बहुत छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम है कि कार के सिर्फ टायर पंचर हुए हैं, लेकिन एक लेडी के लिए, एक ओल्ड लेडी के लिए ये बहुत बड़ी बात थी। Barian crawled under the car looking for a place to put the jack, skinning his knuckles a time or two. Soon he was able to change the tire. अच्छा, फिर जो ये बारियान एडिसन है, ये कार के नीचे जाते हैं और साथ ही साथ वो ढूंढते हैं जैक को। जैक का मतलब क्या है? जैक एक कार का पार्ट्स होता है जिसको मैकेनिक्स ठीक करते हैं। ठीक है, इसमें क्या है कि जब ये जैक को टच कर रहे होते तो निकल्स मीन्स ये वाला पोर्शन। ठीक है, एक दो बार हाथ का जो ये पोर्शन है टच हो जाता है, जिससे बारियान को चोट भी लगती है। एक तो ठंड का टाइम, ऊपर से हल्की सी भी चोट बहुत तेज से पता चलता है हमें। Soon he was able to change the tire. ठीक है, और इसी तरीके से बहुत जल्दी मिस्टर एंडरसन ने टायर चेंज कर दिया। But he had to get dirty and his hands hurt. Okay, but now after changing the tire of the car, his hands was very dirty. Okay, and he was also got hurt. As he was tightening up the nuts, she rolled down the window and began to talk to him. Okay, when Mr. Edinson was tightening the nuts of the car, okay, this lady put down the shield of the car and started talking with him. She told him that she was from St. Louis and was only just passing through. Okay, now this old lady is saying that I'm from St. Louis and I'm just passing through this street. She couldn't thank him enough for coming to her aid. Now, this old lady is actually saying thanks, okay, because no one helped her, okay, but this young person helped her. Barian just smiled as he closed his trunk. The lady asked how much she owed him. Okay, now this old lady is asking that how much I have to pay you, because आपने मेरी कार को ठीक किया है. So tell me how much I have to pay you. Any amount would have been all right with her. Actually, this lady was very rich. So any amount is okay for her. She already imagined all the awful things that could have happened had he not stopped. And actually, why that lady is ready to give any amount, okay? Because at that moment, okay, at that moment when nobody was helping her, this young man helped her, okay? And if Mr. Edinson didn't help her, she was imagining, okay, she was imagining maybe I have to face some dangerous situation, okay? Barian never thought twice about being paid. Actually देखिए, मिस्टर एंडरसन ने एक बार भी नहीं सोचा था कि मैं अगर इन ओल्ड लेडी की हेल्प करूंगा तो देन इन रिटर्न आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग. ओके, दिस वाज नॉट अ जॉब फॉर हिम. एक्चुअली ही वाज नॉट अ मैकेनिक. ओके, तो ये उनका जॉब नहीं था, ये उनका काम नहीं था. This was helping someone in need, and God knows there were plenty who had given him a hand in the past. Okay, now see, इन्होंने मिस्टर एडिसन ने तो सिर्फ हेल्प किया इनकी, क्योंकि इनको बहुत जरूरत थी उस वक्त. अगर ये हेल्प नहीं करते तो मे भी शायद ये पूरी रात यहीं रहती, कोई हेल्प नहीं करता. ठीक है, he had lived his whole life that way and it never occurred to him to act any other way. और मिस्टर एडिसन पुअर, मतलब गरीब जरूर थे, लेकिन अपनी पूरी लाइफ इन्होंने ऐसी ही जी थी. He told her that if she really wants to pay him back, the next time she saw someone who needed help, she could give that person the assistance they needed. And Barian added, and think of me. अब देखिए, वो ये कहते हैं कि सी मैम, इफ यू रियली वांट टू हेल्प मी, ओके, डोंट पे मी. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम जस्ट डू वन थिंग. नेक्स्ट टाइम whenever you see any person in trouble, kindly help her and always remember while helping her about me. Okay, he waited until she started her car and drove off. ठीक है, तो मिस्टर एडमसन वेट करते हैं कि ये लेडी चली जाए पहले यहाँ से अच्छे से. It had been a cold and depressing day, but he felt good as he headed for home, disappearing into the twilight. Acha, actually, it was a very cold and very rough day for Mr. Edinson. Okay, but at the end of the day, he was able to help a old lady. Okay, and this small thing made her whole day. A few miles down the road, the lady saw a small cafe. Okay, while driving, that lady saw that there's a small cafe. Okay, she went in to grab a bite to eat and take the chill off before she made the last leg of her trip home. एक्चुअली देखिए, वो जो ओल्ड लेडी है वो ट्रिप पे निकली हुई थी. ठीक है, तो वो बहुत ज्यादा थक जाती हैं, इसीलिए वो सोचती हैं कि अब मुझे एक कॉफी का सिप लेना चाहिए. ठीक है, तो वो कॉफी पीने के लिए उस कैफे के पास रुकती हैं. It was a dingy looking restaurant. Actually, it was a dingy looking. Now, what is the meaning of dingy looking? Means not so hi-fi, not so fancy. Okay, that restaurant was not so fancy restaurant. Outside were two old gas pumps. The whole scene was unfamiliar to her. अच्छा, कैफे के बाहर दो पुराने गैस के लैंप्स लगे हुए थे और वो जो पूरा का पूरा सीन था ना कैफे का, it was literally unfamiliar for her. The waitress came over and brought a clean towel to wipe her wet hair. Okay, so the waitress of that cafe came and brought a clean towel to wipe her wet hair. Means why she brought a clean towel? Because she wanted to wipe the wet hairs of the old lady. She had a sweet smile on that even being on her feet for the whole day couldn't erase. Actually, the waitress have a very sweet smile on her face, although she was very tired. Okay. The lady noticed the waitress was nearly 8 months pregnant, but she never let the strain and aches changes her attitude. Okay. The old lady can see that the waitress was 8 months pregnant, but still she was doing job. Okay. The old lady wondered how someone who had so little could be so giving to a stranger. अच्छा, वो जो old lady है उन्हें बहुत ज़्यादा हैरानी होती है. ठीक है, कि कैसे एक 8 months की pregnant lady जिनके चेहरे पर कोई थकान के भाव नहीं है, still she is offering so much for me. Then she remembered बारियान और immediately उनको बारियान एडमसन की याद आ जाती है. After the lady finished her meal, she paid $100 bill. Okay, after finishing her bill, the old lady make a payment. Okay, and that payment she made $100. Okay, the waitress quickly went to get change for her $100 bill, but the old lady had slipped right out the door. So waitress जाती है तुरंत चेंज लाने के लिए. ठीक है, लेकिन जब तक वो चेंज लेके वापस आती है तब तक ये ओल्ड लेडी जा चुकी होती है वहां से. She was gone by the time the waitress came back. The waitress wondered where the lady could be. Then she noticed something written on the napkin. Now the waitress was literally wondering that where the old lady is gone. But at that moment, immediately at that moment, she saw that something is written on the tissue paper. There were tears in her eyes when she read what the lady. अच्छा, उस नैपकिन पे जो भी लिखा हुआ था उसे पढ़ के इनकी आंखों में आंसू आ जाता है. ऐसा क्या लिखा हुआ था उस पे, आइए देखते हैं. You don't owe me anything. I have been there too. Somebody once helped me out the way I am helping you. So the old lady has written, see my dear, you don't owe me anything. Okay, you don't need to give me any kind of change, because similarly, in which situation you are stuck right now, I was also stuck few moments ago and a very good person helped me. Okay, if you really want to pay me back, here is what you do. So my dear child, if you really want to pay back me, okay, then you have to do one work for me. Do not let this chain of love end with you. So don't break this chain of love. Spread love. Okay. Under the napkin were 4 more $100 dollar bills, okay, and under that napkin there are another $400 bill. Well, there were tables to clear, sugar bowls to fill, and people to serve, but the waitress made it the another day. Although many customers are waiting, okay, for their service, okay, many tables are remain to be get cleaned, okay, and there are sugar bowls to fill. But the waitress thought, no, I'm not going to do this all works today. Let it be done tomorrow. That night, when she got home from work and climbed into bed, she was thinking about the money and what the lady had written. So, that night, when she came back her home, all night she was thinking only one thing: who was that lady and why did she help me? How could the lady have known how much she and her husband needed? Now, here, one question is stucking in my mind: that how that old lady know that at मीन्स मुझे और मेरे हस्बैंड को कितना ये पैसा चाहिए था? हाउ दैट दिस ओल्ड लेडी knew it? With the baby due next month, it was going to be hard because I am 8 months pregnant, okay, next month is my delivery date, okay. How, in what way me and my husband are going to manage, okay? I literally can't understand in what way that lady understood my situation, okay. She knew how worried her husband was, and as he was lay sleeping next to her, she gave him a soft kiss and whispered soft and low, okay. That waitress know that how much me and my husband are worried because our baby is coming next week and we don't have so much money for the delivery, okay. So when she was going to sleep, immediately she kissed her husband and whispered in a very low voice. What she whispered? Let's see. Everything going to be all right. I love you, Baryan Aronson. Okay. So that waitress said, you don't need to worry, okay, because everything is going to be fine. Okay. So I really love you so much, Baryan Aronson. So you remember, my dear student, who was Baryan Aronson? The person who held this old lady. Okay. So the husband of this waitress held this old lady. Okay. There is an old saying, what goes around comes around. Actually, it is a very old saying कि whatever things you are doing in your present time, may be good or it may be bad, you are going to get the fruit of your work in nearby future. Okay, so here you can see when Baryan Aronson helped that lady, okay, that lady, so that old lady helped them by $500. Okay, now come with me and discuss some new words. Twilight, what is the meaning of twilight? The period of the evening during which this takes place between daylight and darkness. Whispered, soft speech produced without full voice. Dingy, gloomy, and trap. So I hope, my dear students, you got a very good understanding of this chapter. Okay, go thoroughly through this chapter and complete the exercise based on this chapter. Now I'm taking leave and going to meet with you all in my next session with a new chapter. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Bye.